Donald Trump recently launched a crypto space coin on Friday before his inauguration party and inauguration ceremony. The forthcoming United States of American president, Donald Trump, released his new cryptocurrency, which is the Donald Trump coin. Like, so many people actually cash out from this coin. Like, there were so many millionaires, billionaires from that actually invested. That's why one thing in the crypto space, you must learn how to invest at the right time, the right people, and the resources. Like, when we say investing in the right time, the right people, and resources, this boils down to three phenomena of what I call chances of cryptocurrency. Like, take for example a stored cases of what recently happened from the Donald Trump coin that was recently launched. You saw how it skyrocketed from investors pulling in some certain amount of money. And yeah, I was in a platform where young champ were like cashing out great time on this coin. Like, people were moving from 15,000 US dollars to 30,000 US dollars. All this happened within the space of Friday when Donald Trump launched his coin thing, Saturday morning / Saturday evening. And if you also see that this coin is actually still rising, So, as a great investor or someone that wants to actually acquire wealth or acquire money, you must understand that cryptocurrency is a palatable space, or is a good space for you to invest in it. Just like what I just said now, this Donald Trump coin that got released and is corrected. So you must look out for great opportunities. Look out for what is coming out. Look out on what am I going to use my money for? Like, how am I going to move from a mindset of not having cash to a mindset of becoming a multi-billionaire? This is one aspect every young champ has to look on, the crypto space, because the crypto space are actually making people big multi-millionaires and making people cool cash your money. So, like I said, we have three phenomena: the right time, when to invest in it, and the resources. These are the three champions. When you want to invest in something, you know that you are investing your financial capability in it. You must be able to know the right channel. That right channel boils down to your resources. That your resources boil down to your money, your liquidity, what you have presently. So maybe you might have an expectation of $4,000 or 2,000 or $500. You know, oh, if I put this money in this coin, what are my return profits? What are my portfolio? What will I get? Are you getting it? So these are things one has to look for. The prosperity of making big time in this 25th or 24th generation. So, like I said, we're gonna be uploading 1 time, 2 times, 3 times on this channel. So I'm so glad that you watched this video to the end. So make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on this channel. So thank you. Maybe on the next time we're gonna show you what particular coin you need to invest at the right time, the resources, the uses, and when to do that. So till we meet again, thank you so much. I love you.